So in this video today, I'm going to be making 3 floral arrangements on a budget. Come on with me, guys. Now, this vase here was a thrifted item. And so now I'm going to be working with the florals, which I purchased from the Dollar Tree. So I think these bunches of florals from the Dollar Tree are an amazing buy. Now, we're just gonna go ahead and add a candle to it, and then we're gonna head on over to the reveal of number 1. Now this blue chinoiserie vase came from the Goodwill. This was an amazing buy, guys. We're gonna go ahead, make a floral arrangement here, and then we'll be heading on over to the reveal. Now this vase right here is a thrifted item, and then I went ahead and DIY'd it to create this beautiful glam looking vase. I am loving it, and I hope that you do as well. Look at this. Now I did embellish with BB craft items, and I think this came out gorgeous, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and place a floral arrangement in here again with Dollar Tree florals, and then we'll light a candle and head on over to the reveal. Now, I think all three floral arrangements came out absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you agree. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.